What is up, ATG traders? This is Munya, the best boom and crash trader, and in this video I'm going to share secrets on boom and crash and how you can be a profitable boom and crash trader. Okay, now before we continue, I need you guys to take note of the fact that boom index is an index that detects a rise in price, whilst crash index is an index that detects a crash or a sell in price. Okay, so boom is for spiking up and crash is spiking down, but as we all know, the market moves up and down. Therefore, it is possible to enter onto a buy trade even on crash, and also enter onto a sell trade even on boom. So I'm going to share with you guys exactly that and how you'll be able to do it. And to do that easily, you need a couple of indicators, the ones that you see on my screen. So we're going to have a step-by-step process of installing these indicators, okay, that are going to help us identify our trend. It's also going to help us identify the entry points as well as the exit points. Okay, this is very necessary. You cannot enter into a market without knowing those three important points. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to remove all my indicators so that we'll be able to have a step-by-step process of installing these indicators. Okay, so the first indicator that I want us to install, guys, we're going to go to our indicators section right here. I'm going to click where it says main window, and we're going to click on moving average as our first indicator. And this moving average is going to have the following properties. We're going to have a period of 21, so I'm going to change that to 21. Shift is going to be 0, method is going to be exponential, apply to is going to be low, as you can see, and I'm going to change the style here on the color. I'll make it a blue one. Okay, now the levels are not necessary, and on visualization, please just make all these indicators appear on all your time frames for it to be easy for you, so that if you switch on time frames, you will not miss out. Okay, so I'll click done, and as you can see, we now have that blue moving average on our screen. The next indicator that I want us to install is called the relative strength index. So again, I'm going to go back to my indicators, then we're going to install the relative strength index, or the RSI as you guys might know it. And this RSI is going to have the following properties. We're going to have a period of 1. We're going to apply to close, and this time we're going to have two important levels, our level 80 and our level 20. Our level 20, I want us to give a description on it, and it is going to be a buy zone, and our level 80 is going to be our sell zone. Okay, once you're done, you just click done, then it will take you back to our properties. We don't need to change anything else, so I'm going to click done, and as you can see, we have something down here on our indicator window 1. We've got our RSI installed and nothing else inside except the sell zone and the buy zone, which is exactly what you have to have. Okay, next we're going to install a couple of moving averages under our indicator window 1, and the first one is going to be like this. So I'm going to go to my indicator window 1 this time. Okay, then click moving average, then we're going to change this period. The first one will have a period of 1. The shift will remain as 0. The method will also remain as exponential, and then apply to low as well. Like I said, the levels and time frames, don't touch that. And then what we need to change now is the style. We're going to be changing the style here. We're going to put this black color. Okay, and then click done. As you can see, we now have that black moving average down there on our charts. Okay, next we're going to need another moving average under our indicator window 1. So again, I'm going to click where it says indicator window 1, and I'll click where it says moving average. This time we'll change the period to 3, everything else remains the same except on your style. We're going to change this to a different color so that it is completely visible and clear, so that you can remember that the moving average with this different color is different from this one and this one. Okay, again, I'll click done, and as you can see, we now have the red moving average joining us down there on our indicator window 1. Last but not least, we're going to add another indicator under our indicator window 1, and it's a moving average again, but this time the period is going to be 8. Okay, it's going to be 8, so I'm going to delete that 3 and remain with the 8. Again, everything else remains the same except on your style. Of course, we're going to change it to a different color. I'll choose yellow. Okay, and then again we'll click on done, and as you can see, we now have exactly the strategy that we started off with at the beginning of the video, which means that we have successfully installed our strategy that we're going to be using to identify our trend, to identify our entry point, and also to identify our exit points. Now, I'll also be posting these settings in our free Telegram channel. Yes, we've got a Telegram channel with over 7,000 traders, and the link will be in the description box below. It's completely free to join. Just click that link and it will allow you to join our Telegram channel. And in that Telegram channel, you'll be able to find more trading materials that can help you improve and increase your winning ratio. Okay, so it can help you become a profitable trader. There are trading materials in there that can help you grow. So the link will be in the description box below. Just click on it and it will take you straight to our Telegram channel. Okay, now that I've shown you the settings, guys, I'm sure you might also want to see the results of how this strategy also works. So I think I'll be adding screenshots right here of some of the results I was getting from this strategy. Okay, with that said, let's get into how do you actually use this strategy. How do you know when to enter? How do you know the trend? How do you know the exit points? I'm sure that's what you guys are now waiting for. But before I get into all that, please make sure you like this video, and if you get to 100 likes, I'll be doing a giveaway of our VIP Signals group. So if you want to stand a chance to win that, make sure you subscribe and you like this video and comment down below that you want to win VIP Signals. I'll be picking a winner on the next video. So if you want to win our VIP Signals, basically you'll be getting my trades that I'm trading each and every single day. You'll be getting that for free for 1 month just by liking this video and subscribing and commenting down below. Okay, so with this strategy, we're going to be using the 1 minute time frame for at least part 1 of this strategy. You can use this strategy in so many different ways, but for part 1, we're just going to be using the 1 minute time frame, and we want to try and get in and out of the market as quickly as possible, but winning at the same time. Okay, so if you're on boom, like I said, you can do both spike catching and going against the spikes, and you just need a few simple rules for you to enter into the market. Okay, number 1, we're going to start off with when to buy while it's using this strategy. We are on boom and we are in our 1 minute time frame. But when do you buy? When do you actually enter into a buy trade? Okay, here is what you're going to do. Going to go to your 1 minute time frame, right? Then you're going to come to your red, yellow, and black line down here on your indicator window 1. You want to check the position of those lines, those 3 lines here. Check the position. The moment you see these 3 lines approaching either the buy zone or the sell zone, and in this case, because you want to buy, you're going to see them approaching this buy zone. And once they are in this buy zone, you don't enter into a buy right away, but you wait for a confirmation and an entry. And that confirmation and entry is going to be when you see your price breaking to be above this blue line, this C. So if you see price then breaking to be above, candlesticks crossing to be above this blue line, then your buy trade will have been confirmed because these three lines are already in your buy zone. So once you see that, you're going to enter your buy trade and you're going to catch one or two spikes. And as you can see, you caught some spikes right there. Now remember, you've done your analysis in your 1 minute time frame, which means that you cannot be holding these trades for a long period of time because you're probably not in line with the trend. You're probably just getting the upward movement. Like I said, the market is always moving up and down, right? So you don't actually know if it is actually an uptrend or a downtrend. And like I said, that I'll explain in part 2 so that you understand it better. But for now, you're just going to try and catch these spikes, okay? I hope you understood that part. Of course, if you want to enter into a sell on boom, number one, you obviously need to have your three lines crossing to be up in this sell zone. And once you see the three lines in the sell zone, you're going to wait for price to cross and go below this blue line. And once you see price crossing and going below the blue line, you know that you can now enter into a sell trade and your take profit will be 5 to 10 candlesticks away. All right, your 1 minute candlestick. So you're going to enter and wait for at least or a minimum of 10 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, remember, even if you want to catch spikes here, you're going to be holding for not more than 10 minutes. Remember, you cannot be holding for more than 10 minutes. Remember, even here where we wanted to enter our buy trade, remember we've got this confirmation, right? The confirmation is actually here, right? You're not going to hold for more than 10 minutes here. So you can see that probably you would catch those 3 spikes only and then you exit, because remember what I said, you are in your 1 minute time frame. Your analysis is for if it's for a short period of time, so you cannot be holding your trade the whole day while you've done your analysis in your 1 minute time frame. So you also have to have that at the back of your mind that I'm going to be scalping and I'm going to be in and out of this trade as quickly as possible. Okay, so 5 to 10 candlesticks. If you decide to enter this sell, you're going to grab your 5 to 10 candlesticks and then you exit. Okay, so you can go on and on and on it, whether you want to be buying. You can see that nice buy trade followed by another sell trade. You can see, okay, even if you go on crash, the same concept will still apply. Okay, if you want to sell crash, you really have to wait for your price. You really have to wait for the 3 lines here to be in your sell zone first. Once they are in our sell zone, you will have to wait for this blue line to cross and go below, and you usually have that spike coming to cross immediately and go below your blue line, and you can sell peacefully. So you can see the market then drove all the way down like that. Okay, remember, you are not going to hold for this retracement because we said what cannot be holding for more than 10 minutes on an analysis that you have done in the 1 minute time frame. Like I said, there's going to be a part 2 probably if we get 100 likes on this video, where I'll be explaining even in a higher time frame how you can grow and build your account. Okay, if you guys want more of these strategies, please support this channel by subscribing to this video, sharing it with your friends, and don't forget to like and comment so that others will also have the opportunity to view this video. Again, a buy trade was confirmed. So many trades will be confirmed using this strategy. If you want to scalp and grow your account, if you have a small account, this will be a nice spot for you to start from, as it is a beginner strategy. You can see that it's not complicated. You're not involving a lot of principles in trading, like your price action, your support and resistance, all those, your Fibonacci. You're not involving all of that in this analysis. So this is a simple beginner's strategy that can actually help you grow. And if you guys want to see more videos like that where I'm helping and teaching beginners how to grow their accounts, even their small accounts, $5 accounts, $10 accounts, then make sure you follow the series that I'm going to be posting right here on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that I will personally notify you the next time I post a video. Until next time.